Hi there, it's Tara, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a simple way to foster short, video-based discussions on different classroom topics. Flipgrid can be used to stay connected and share learning, not only at school, but also at home. So let's get started. You're going to want to start by creating an account at flipgrid.com using your Gmail account. Once you've created your account, you now have access to creating a grid. Think of a grid as creating a class. So I'm going to add a new grid or class and give it a name. And from there, I get to choose how students will access it. Will they be using their Gmail account? Will they be using an ID that I create for them? Or will this be open to the public? I'm going to choose school email so that students will have to have their Gmail to be able to log in. Flipgrid will automatically generate a code for you for your class or for your grid, but you can also customize it. You can see that this is available, so we'll use that. Now, I am going to have students log in with their Gmail account. If I would have needed to add an additional domain, I would enter that here. But I'm going to click Next, and now I'm ready to go. I need to share this with my class, so I can use this link and copy and paste and share it out with them. I can embed this into a website. I can also share this directly to them with different digital platforms such as Google Classroom. Once your grid is created, you're going to see that there is an activity or topic, which would be the same as a prompt, that I can use to get students familiar with Flipgrid. If I needed some ideas or other Flipgrid topics, I could enter the Disco library. But we're going to create a topic or prompt today because it's very simple. Once you're inside your grid, you're going to add new topic. You're going to give your topic a title. You're going to add your prompt. From here, I can begin customizing. I can add different types of media to be able to engage my students, give topic tips, add any attachments. I can adjust the status and the different features of my topic, as well as build opportunities for feedback. But once my topic is created, I'm going to share it with my students. Again, I can do that with the link. I can generate and share a QR code, or I could share it out directly into one of these digital platforms, such as Google Classroom. But now we're all set. Once students receive their topic, the conversation and responses will begin. If you need any more help with Flipgrid, please reach out to your digital integration specialist.